This video is about measurements, both standard and metric. Here we have an enlarged picture of a 1-inch measurement. Above, we have 1/16, 2/16, 3/16. If we were to carry this all the way across, right over here, it would be 16/16. And when you get to 16/16, it equals 1, because 16 divided by 16 equals 1. Down below, we have 1/8, 2/8, 3, 4/8, 5, 6, 7, 8/8. When it gets to 8/8, that also equals 1. The denominator, which is the lower number in the set, 16 right here and 8 there, tells you how many parts make up a whole. When it gets to 16/16 or 8/8, it equals 1. The top number, the numerator, is how many parts are there. So 8/16, since 8 is half of 16, that equals half. And of course 4/8 reduces down to 1/2 also. Now when both the numerator and the denominator are even numbers, one needs to reduce. So 2/16 becomes 1/8. You can see right here, that's where the 2/16 would be. And that of course reduces to 1/8. It still has the precision of a 1/16 of an inch, but all fractions need to be reduced. If 1/16, 2/16, 3/16, 4/16 actually reduces down to 1/4. So your net result is you always want the numerator to be an odd number, like 1, 3, 5. You don't want any even numbers in the numerator. If there's an even number there, it will reduce. Now here we have some examples. 1/4 would be this area right here. This area would be 15/16. This would be 1 3/8 because you've passed the 1-inch point. So it's 1 inch plus, you have 1, 2, 3, there's the 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's 3 out of 8. And this is 1 3/4. It reduces down to 3/4. Let's move into metric. On this ruler, we can see that the red line marks 4 centimeters. Each centimeter is 10 millimeters, so that the red line also represents 40 millimeters. In this example that is enlarged quite a bit, we can see the red line is at 4 centimeters or 40 millimeters. The green line represents 4.2 centimeters or 42 millimeters. The yellow line represents 4.7 centimeters or 47 millimeters. Here are a few more examples. The orange line represents 1.2 centimeters or 12 millimeters. The yellow line represents 3 centimeters or 30 millimeters, and the blue line represents 4.5 centimeters or 45 millimeters. Many of the questions have to do with a ruler where you have to show both the standard and metric measurements. So in this example, the standard is 1 3/8 inches, also 3.5 centimeters and 35 millimeters. And here you can see the relationship between 1 inch and 2.54 centimeters. You will have to memorize this, as well as 1 inch equals 25.4 millimeters. The red line below shows 62 inches plus 1/8 of an inch, or 62 1/8 inches. To calculate for feet in inches, divide 62 by 12 to see that there are at least 5 feet in this measurement. To get the amount of inches in 5 feet, multiply 5 times 12, which equals 60. Now we need to calculate the inches from the point of 5 feet, or 60 inches. From 5 feet, there are 2 inches and 1/8 of an inch. The measurement above is 5 feet and 2 1/8 inches. So 62 1/8 inches equals 5 feet and 2 1/8 inches. Most of the information that I just went over can be found by clicking this button right here and reviewing all of the material. Information about this and any other thing related to measurements can be found at math-100.com. Thank you.